Hi! So today I wanted to tell you about a few products that I bought from Cynic, and I got them from gmarket.com. Okay, so I have a lot of products actually that I bought from Cynic, and this one I actually finished, which is the Total Cell Essence Water. I really like this. It was very moisturizing and I used it during the entire autumn winter of last year, so 2013 to 2014 until summer. I used this and I completely finished it. And yeah, that was really moisturizing and really good for my dry skin. All of the Cynic products are quite natural, paraben free. So these products were really good for my skin. I have very sensitive skin and none of them irritated my skin or broke me out or caused redness or any problems. The hyaluronic acid solution, and it's just a clear liquid that you put on, has this like dropper on it, and I really like it. And actually it wasn't anything very special. It was just like another essence that was very watery that you could put on your skin. I don't know if it actually did anything. It has hyaluronic acid in it. I'm not completely impressed by this. Just, I don't know, does it do anything? Does it not do anything? I don't know. The other product by Cynic that I really like is the Snail Matrix Essence. And this is just, for me, was just another layer that I could put on my skin to moisturize it and protect it, as I have dry sensitive skin, and that's my aim during the winter. But it's not very moisturizing. It's just, you know, a light essence. It's very gel. It's a gel-like essence. Again, I don't know if it actually did anything, if it didn't do anything. It was nice. It didn't irritate my skin or cause any redness or anything like that. So yeah, it's okay. Like, I don't know what else to say. It's okay. And my favorite product out of the Cynic line is the Snail Matrix Cream, and I do very, very much like this cream. It is a very moisturizing cream. So I like to compare this to a moment with the Kiehl's Ice Ultra Moisturizing Cream, which I have tried, and I felt that this one was even more moisturizing than the Kiehl's Ultra Moisturizing Cream. It's definitely more moisturizing than the Mizon Snail Cream. So I really like that for its moisturizing properties. It's supposed to be also very good for acne, firming, anti-wrinkle. I have no idea if it is. I didn't notice a big difference in terms of the amount of acne I have, but I should warn you that this is a good cream if you have dry skin, and I think not for you if you have oily skin. It is a heavier snail cream. It has a lot of oil in it, a lot of different kinds of oils in it that are non-comedogenic. Not all oils are non-comedogenic or bad for you. A lot of oils are very good for you, but at the same time it could be too heavy for your skin. And this is what the snail cream looks like. Look at that, it's amazing.
I feel like I could play with this all day. Like, I don't know what else can I do with this stuff. Maybe I can use it as glue.
So yeah, I have not seen, like, the Mizon Snail Cream is not that slimy as this. This is super slimy.
I love it, but I'm a weirdo. And if you put it on your skin,
it goes in your skin, it's very moisturizing. It does feel like it leaves a protective layer over your skin too, so overnight the water in your skin doesn't completely evaporate. So I feel like it just keeps the moisture in more, and probably, you know, that's why it has oils and stuff in it more than what the Mizon has in it. So I really do like this cream as a moisturizer. I did not notice any anti-aging effects from it. What maybe I noticed was an overall brightening of the skin, like the Mizon Snail Cream. It did that for me. So, but nothing miraculously. It didn't like miraculously make old scars disappear or anything like that. But neither did the Mizon Snail Cream. This is 100 milliliters. Look, it's pretty much finished, but there's still some left. And another really good thing about this snail cream is I think it cost me like $10. Like, seriously. I also have been using the Cynic Snail Matrix Eye Cream, which is also really nice, But again, nothing miraculous, nothing special. This is a lighter eye cream also. I don't feel like it was really enough for my skin. It sinks into your under eye area and
yeah.
it also sinks into your under eye area and is so nice and has that slimy feeling, like snail slime feeling. I love it. And it's a bit lighter. It's a bit, and my eyes kind of need more protection, so over that I would use the Kiehl's avocado cream thing, and yeah, it was just not enough. Not super impressed by that. I didn't feel like it really did much except add a little bit of hydration to the skin. So the eye cream is probably enough for day, not for night, you know, because in the day I like to have lighter things. At night I just want to cover my skin in cream so it's completely protected and covered, and so in the morning my skin won't be like super dry and cracked and tight. And the last product I'm going to tell you about is the Cynic Mastic Sleeping Mask. Okay, the ingredients are, again, very natural, no parabens or not much alcohol, you know, quite good. Like, I really like Cynic because let's say that I chose Cynic because the ingredients were quite natural. Just look at the Cynic websites. These have so many ingredients in here, so many different extracts and oils in here. It's a long list that I really don't want to read for you. But yeah, look at the websites. I will link them below so you can look at the ingredients and what's in there. This Mastic sleeping mask is like something I have never seen before, and maybe something that they use in science fiction movies or something. I don't know. It feels like mucus. It looks like mucus. And yeah, that's what it's like.
Woohoo! You can just like play with that.
So it's a gel-like consistency, very sticky, very slimy, like pure slime, but it dries to nothing, so you won't feel it after you put it on. You put you're basically putting slime all over your face, and you put it on and it dries. And yeah, I think it's a good sleeping mask. I promise you it's on. You can see it glistening there. Yeah, it's on. And you just gotta wait. Like, when you put it on, you can't sleep right away. You have to wait for it to dry. A sleeping mask means that you can skip the toner, emulsion, all the steps. Just put on that one cream, which is a sleeping mask, and go to sleep, and you know, you're done. It's something you can do fast. It's something that's supposed to be extra good for your skin. I don't know. But this one you can't go to sleep with right away because it's still sticky and it's very slimy. So you've got to wait like 10 to 20 minutes. Like, it depends how thick you put it on. And since I have dry skin, I always put it on thick. So I wait like maybe 15 minutes. I don't know. I put it on, I watch some TV, and then I go to sleep. Again, it's very hydrating and it creates a barrier on your skin. It creates a very protective layer over your skin as you sleep so that the moisture in your skin doesn't evaporate. Anti-evaporation mask, and the moisture stays in, so when I wake up, I don't feel dry and I don't have extra wrinkles and cracked skin because my skin is super dry in the winter. In conclusion, I really like Cynic. I think Cynic is amazing and really good at moisturizing the skin, keeping moisture in your skin. It's like an anti-evaporation mask. You know what I mean? As for all the other claims of anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, you know, healing dark spots, blah blah blah, that they say that snail creams do, I'm not totally convinced. These, if you have acne and very oily skin, it's really for people with dry skin, and yeah, I recommend them very much for the winter months, like way more than the Kiehl's Ultra Moisturizing Cream. Sorry, I like Kiehl's too, and they're really cheap. I think this was like $10. This was $10. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.